The government has decided to have age relaxation for entry into government service.
Kynhun Myntri Haki balang kala Shim ya karai ban Pynjlan ya kereta Rung kam Haki kam Sorkar na kalai pu arsnem shakalai pu nyosnem.
The government has decided to have age relaxation for entry into government service from the age of 27 to 32. This will not include an exemption has been given for police, home police. So any recruitment done by home police will be exempted from this decision. Forest guards will be exempted from this decision. The home guards and civil defense will also be exempted. And also the prisons officials, the prisons department also, certain posts will also be exempted from this. So the point is the uniformed posts that are there, which require slightly more physical work, will have the same age limit as before, and there will be no change in that. But for all other government services, the age relaxation has been increased from 27 to 32, and for the ST, another 5 years will be added, so that's 37.
Kiwaipat kira ki kentop ya ka issue kapot ka ba Myntri rang ba lasai ka janmir unlet Delhi ringkat ba Chief Minister ka Assam banlet ya kendua yu Myntri ki kampo yang kari Amit Shah.
It is very important to keep the people's sentiments in mind, and therefore the willingness of the people in specific areas has been one of the main driving forces or the principles on the basis of which we have reached to most of the conclusions in most of the areas. Any state government may try to claim some areas, but the people living in those areas, if they don't wish to be with a particular state, one cannot force people to forcefully come into a particular state. This has been the basic driving principle for us, and that's why we have gone down to the grassroots level, and the committees have meticulously gone and visited every single 36 villages which were under dispute or differences in the 6 areas that were there. And after detailed visits to these 36 villages, we have finally come to an understanding where we have tried to follow these principles that I have just mentioned to you. What is most important to remember and to note today is that it's really a very, very important day. And this very important issue, which has been there for the last 50 years, and was something was very difficult to move forward from all angles, that today, due to the efforts made by the different committees and the 2 state governments, we are actually finding and seeing a solution that's coming out, where we have consulted multiple stakeholders, we have had multiple meetings and multiple visits. And as I said, this is truly a very, very important and a historic moment where we are able to actually move forward and resolve some of the areas of differences that are there. So I'm sorry I'm not able to share the full details with you, but as I said, Assam has given some idea yesterday. It is more or less in that line, but we will be able to give you more details once I return from Delhi tomorrow late night.